I talked with the coach, I talked with Pep before I came here, and I think it's the right fit for me to play my first time in ACB. I think Zaragoza is the perfect spot for me. The way they play, their identity, it's exactly how I like to play. So I hope we can have a great season together in the FIBA Cup, especially in ACB. My goal has always been to play in ACB. Out of Belgium directly was very hard, so I had to play a season in France, and then I was able to sign here in Zaragoza. And I think it's going to be, of course, not an easy season. It's ACB. It's a lot of good teams next year, especially all the players that they signed. It's going to be a high level league again. But I think we're going to play very fast. We're going to play very aggressive. We have a lot of players like me that can play multiple positions. We can change the defenses, and I think that if we can find the chemistry, if we can play together in defense and in offense, that we can surprise some people and that we can have a very good season in ACB, because right now there is a lot of new players that never played in ACB, so it's always a little bit of a question how they're going to adapt. But I think we have some very talented players, and if we can all be on the same page, then we can have a great season in ACB. I already played it one season in the past, my first year in Antwerp, and obviously we don't have to lie about it. It's a lower level than the BCL. Everybody knows this, and of course we're a team from Spain, a good team in Spain. Everybody's gonna look at us that we have to make it far into the Euro Cup. Otherwise, it will be a little bit a disappointment. But I don't think we have any pressure. I think if we used to play in the level of ACB every week, and we play the same way in the FIBA Cup, I'm 100% sure that we will go far and that we can beat everybody. But of course, it's not as easy. We can say it right now, but we still have to prove that we are a very good team, that we're a team from Spain, and that we can go as far as possible. And I think with the players we have all the confidence that with the experience that we can go very far in the FIBA Cup also. I think it's going to be very important. Last season we played almost without fans, in France at least, and what I've heard from other players, from players who played here in Zaragoza, even opponents, they say that the crowd is amazing here, and it's definitely a strong point to play at home in front of so many people. It gives a boost to help us to get the victory, and I really hope that we can have as much fans as possible with the start of the season, because I'm sure that it will help us when there's going to be more fans in the building. So I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope that we can have more fans this season, because I know it's gonna help.